So in this lecture, what we are going to do is we are going to continue from where we left in the previous one. So folks, now is the time to actually put some work, put some action. It's show time, okay? So all we need to do is upload a clip of our choice, and probably I have a lot of clips here. Probably I think this clip would be good. So we are going to put that clip, and within a few minutes, probably within 120 seconds, oh, there you have it. Oh, fine, it's even done. So within a few seconds, we had the video, the background removed, the video edited, like from the background's point of view. And the video is working as well, and it is so cool. It is not blurry. It doesn't have deformed figures and pictures and characters. It doesn't have green borders as you have in green screen and all the hassles with that. And it is so easy to do that. Look at this, folks. Look at this. This was a video I had not that long ago with the background. It had a wonderful background, by the way, and this is an AI video. And now I can actually put a background of my own choice. I can put an animation background like that, and that is how easy it is to remove your background and to make it something of your own. This is really, really good. I probably like it. I'm not a sponsor of this thing, neither I will be, but you can use it for your future use. Folks, you can also put it in this way. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Who would say that's a green screen? That literally looks like as if the AI girl is right in the middle of the street. And maybe we'll try one more with the colors. Look at that one. Look at that one. This one looks really good because the colors go really well with the girl. So folks, that is how easy it is. You can put the download, press the download button, it's done. But the fact here is that because you're using the free version, and you will actually are going to have this watermark, which is fine. You can remove it online, you can search for it, but folks, it's a really good tool. Now if you look at the original one, this was the original video that I had. Probably this was the original one, and this is the removed background. Look at that. It's such a big difference. People are not going to notice that. Okay, before we wrap up this lecture, let's try one more. Okay, this works. Yeah, it works quite well. And maybe this one. This is probably the last one, folks. Probably the last one. I'll not take too long for this. This one looks really cool, by the way. So folks, that is how easy you can do it. That is how simple it is. You can do it. Okay? I'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.